I just wanted to record this moment because look at my dog. Look at my dog. He's chilling. Yo, but I want to record this moment because like I feel like it's a cool part of the business, you know. So like I don't know, I just feel like recording it. But guess what I got in the mail today? The nice American Express delivery credit card platinum, baby. It is beautiful. Look at that packaging. I know some people are like, it's just a credit card, but like I don't know. I feel like it's high end. It's a good like moment in the business. Now with that fucking baby, I'm ready to scale. Now obviously I'm not gonna show you the numbers of the credit card. I'm not gonna show you around, but it's metal and it's beautiful. And I don't know, man. I'm just hyped. But since I'm recording now, basically to talk about the business. So actually, so what happened was I got my ad account banned. You know, and it ruined the scale. We lost fucking momentum. You know, I was scaling, bro. I was on pace for 100K in less than a month. I was gonna fucking scale it to the moon. But you know, everything happens for a reason, to be honest. And it taught me a lot. It taught me a lot in a sense of like, you know, my arm get tired. It taught me a lot in a sense of like being prepared because there's a lot that goes through the business. And I know like technically no, right? But thinking about it, I had this like thought. I'm like, my biggest day was $7,000 in a day. Obviously, it was like, you know, only for a week because then my ad account got banned, and obviously I didn't like maintain that number. But let's say for the week, if a business makes $7,000 in a day, if you do the math, that is a business generating like 2.5 million a year, right? And I was doing it all by myself. Now I know there's other people that like do it, but I haven't built any teams yet. I haven't done anything, and so I was operating all like everything. I was in the middle of creating, you know, all the marketing, all the ads, media buying. Then I was optimizing websites. I was doing marketing and product research. I was doing all the finance with, you know, my credit cards, my PayPal. And then after, obviously, all that trouble, my ad account got banned. And it was unfortunate. But look, on the bright side, what we do have is another ad account that's running the product at a lower amount because I don't want to get banned. So like I'm running it at around like 500 daily, maybe 600, something like that. Probably 500, I think. All right. Around 500 daily. So, you know, we're getting it's not, so far it hasn't spent that much, but like we're getting, you know, 500 in sales, $1,000 in sales a day. And it also made me realize that because I contacted probably like 6 different suppliers, like all the suppliers I know, and the quality of the product is not the best. I try to tell them like, look, I need better quality. I need it like this. I need it like that. It was a no-go. So far, I haven't gotten any refund requests, but you know, we'll see about that. Obviously, we're still end up being profitable, right? Our profit margins are insane. But basically, I was doing more research yesterday while like waiting for my ad account to start spending. Also, I am going to start using an agency account. So I have an appointment with them tomorrow to like hop on a call with them. So while that's being done and have these ads running on like a lower budget, I was doing like business research, right? And I was thinking of like, I was doing research on like exiting and learning about like what makes a business attractive for exiting. And I also realized that e-commerce is not an attractive business to exit. Like not a lot of people want to buy e-commerce stores. And there's a simple reason is because unless you build it really properly, it's not that attractive, okay? Like a SaaS company is more attractive because it's monthly recurring revenue. There's no cost. There's little cost to maintain it because, right, you build like an app or you build a software and you're just getting monthly recurring revenue from your customers. Your profit margins are like 80%, right? So that's like if you want a business, if you have a SaaS company and you want to sell it, that can go for 6 to 12x depending on the attractability of it. revenue. So let's say you're making $1 million revenue with that. You can sell it for 6 to 12 million. But with e-commerce, it actually goes for around 2 to 3x. You can reach 6. Let's say 2 to 6x profit. So you could be having $1 million store and a year, right? And your profit margins are, let's say, 20%. That's 200 grand. You can only sell it for like max 1.2 mil max. And that's like if you really have it, really build systems to make it attractive, or also probably sell for like 600 grand, right? I was learning all of this, and because I really do believe, and again, I was doing more market research. I'm like trying to see like if the market that I'm in, is it a good market? Is it an attractive market? Is it a growing market? Will people find it attractive to buy if I build like, a whole brand around it? I build private suppliers or like custom content, custom products, if I do organic growth with influencers, or create like a YouTube automation, whatever it fucking is it attractive? And it decently is. It, according to ChatGPT, it falls in the top 20 niches. So I'm all right, I can give it a shot, But basically, all this to say is that the quality of the product is not good. And I'm still in debating if I should scale this product up again, or like just keep maintaining these lower numbers, like let's say 1K days, and instead of like pumping out content for this product to scale, keep that lower budget, sales coming in while I find another product that I find that is like more, higher quality, more, I can see the vision of branding it, right? And especially like I'm trying to look for something that could be recurring, monthly gift box or a monthly subscription, because like the product is like a consumable or it gets used up, whatever it is. But at the end of the day, this is like all the business decisions you have to make. And, I had my fun. Like I scaled to like 16K US in a fucking weekend. Like, I had a lot of fun. I'm not gonna lie, it was very stressful, but I had a lot of fun. And 16K US, for me in Canadian, that's like what? Like 25K for me? Like around there, I'm assuming. Like, it's a lot of money for me, and it's a nice bag that I get to like keep with me, and like now I have more confidence to spend money, to spend on business or to spend on other ventures. And, now, especially now that I've taken the last few days to build systems, to get my agency account, to get the credit cards, to get good suppliers, whatever it may be, now I'm really, really prepared to scale for big numbers. Now I can't, like, I went through it all, and I can't see any other hole that can happen. I'm doing my best to build a bulletproof system to make sure that I'm able to scale to big numbers. So it was a learning lesson at the end. But at the end of the day, the future of this business, I don't know where it's going to. I still have to make a bunch of decisions for that. But I take it day by day. Again, right now, I just made a bunch of other ads for the current product I'm selling, just to say like, okay, here's the last batch. Because after this, I think I'm done making creatives for this product and going to start just doing product research for this brand, for this market. But at the end of the day, it's been fun. It's been such a, a lot of gurus would fucking take that screenshot, not show the date, and be like, oh, bro, I make this every month, or bro, I make this every weekend. They just keep flashing that fucking screenshot. I'm being honest with you, like, that was my screenshot, but now I got banned, so I'm only spending like $400 on ad spend. So I'm only gonna get like, around $1,000 a day. But I don't know, it was fun, and I'm very excited for the future, because now I feel like I've learned a lot. I'm more prepared. I have more of a clear vision. I have kind of like a market, a brand that I'm gonna build. So I'm very excited, and yeah, just this credit card's really kind of just, a good step, bro. I almost didn't answer the fucking door, bro. I thought it was like someone like trying to fucking sell me something. I was in the basement making ads, and my dog keeps barking. So I literally came up to see my dog like So, yo, shut up, stop barking. I see the FedEx guy. I'm like, FedEx? Like, who gets shit from FedEx? And there's a paper on my door saying Julian Tiscione. I'm like, wait, and I completely forgot about the credit card. I'm like, what did I order? What did I get? And the guy was about to leave. And I'm like, yo, wait, look, I'm here. And he gave me like a piss face. Like, yo, what the fuck, bro? It's like 5 minutes I've been here. I'm like, I don't know. And gave me this. I'm like, oh shit, credit card, bro. Nah, but it's sick. I'm so excited to use it. I'm just so excited. I don't know. It's just, it's a cool step. And thank you for staying along with this journey. A lot of people believed in me, you know, from day one. And that means the absolute world to me, you know, like loyalty, trust, and believing in me, because a lot of people didn't. And, you know, to have some people, even though I haven't met them in person, even if I've never spoken to them, you know, I just see their comments, right? But to have like some community online that believed in me from day one, like that means the absolute world to me, you know? Because again, like a lot of people didn't believe in me in real life. And, yeah, like, you know, just to have actually people that believe in me, it's really amazing. And to now start reaping what I've been sowing for so long, I feel like I'm now taking the next step in my business, in my life. And, you know, soon I can be able to help other people, because that's obviously the main goal. Right now I'm still figuring it out. I'm still very new, but I'm getting there. And I'm happy that I'm documenting this daily so you guys can see like real time and none of this guru fake bullshit. Like you can see like the actual process of someone's life going from $0 broke to becoming a millionaire. So we'll stay tuned. There's so much to do. But yet again, I just want to record this. This is for me another cool step. And of course, as always, I'll see you at the fucking motherfucking top, baby. Woo!